My name is C. Janae Chappelle, and I am founder and CEO of Wisdom Concerts LLCS. Mr. Bennett taught the class on digital marketing. And in that class, he provided not only marketing trends, he was able to weave all that information into a project where the participants applied the knowledge that they learned. So they didn't just walk away with a lot of information, they were able to actually see it in operation. Because of that, many of the students, hands down, was satisfied with the class. They were really, they enjoyed the class so much so that if I had to describe Mr. Bennett in 2 words, the 2 words would be business guru. You definitely don't want to miss any type of business administration course that he's teaching.